Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Reaper and Fat Tony here. Those of you who've been watching my channel for quite some time now, and or those of you that have become friends with me, know that I have not had running water in 4 years. I don't think I've ever really explained and or shown how I get my water, but we've got a natural spring that's just about a mile from here on neighbor's property. And Fat Tony and his family have been getting water out there since before I ever moved out here, and then I followed suit and did the same thing. So that's kind of what we're doing. You know, it's winter time, but we've been getting all this rain and kind of warm weather and whatnot. And man, I'll tell you what, I'm tired. I haven't gone to bed. Stayed up all night. And for those of you who weren't around last night, it's about a 7.5 hour live YouTube streaming video with a bunch of other YouTubers. It was just fucking wild, man. So my brain's a little fried this morning. So bear with me in my infinite psychedelic nightmare. Why are you looking at me like that? What's wrong?
What's not wrong? It's here, right here.
Yeah.
Right out your door. Right here. There you go.
Whoa. Holy shit, there's like a family of them. Oh, I love living out here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that pond suffered, hadn't it?
Oh man, Doyle would be so pissed.
Yeah, I think he would. Yeah. Running a little thicker now.
Hey everybody, Fat Tony here. This is how Reaper's ass gets water.
Tell you what though, doing this for 4 fucking years, man, it gets tiring after a while.
Dude, I've been doing it 6.
Yeah, I know. But you kind of got that Beverly Hillbilly shit going on now. You get running water, it's nice and hot. Shower whenever the fuck you want it. You know, motherfucker, I gotta borrow somebody's shower. Or in the summertime, use a solar outside shower. Or in the wintertime, heat up a bowl of water and scrub my special parts. People talk about living out in the middle of nowhere and bushcraft and off the grid kind of shit, and a lot of people freak out when they hear there's no running water. You got electricity, but you don't have running water? Nah.
I don't even have electricity.
You do too. It's just not like conventional electricity. Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Very fun. One night in Bangkok and the girls will get ya. I can see the devil watching after me.
Dude, I really don't feel comfortable with you doing that with my face right where your crotch is. we need to have a serious fucking discussion.
That's alright. You'll be okay.
Has your girlfriend not been giving you any? A little while?
I have no comment at this time.
If your dick needs to get wet, stick it in this cold water. You won't have to worry about it for a month. Are you gonna figure it out?
Yeah.
Alright, retard strength. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here training. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is how old Reaper gets water. That's how I have survived 4 years without running water. It could be worse.
This is what happens when neighbors block off your water supply. We break past it.
That there is my summer solar shower. Obviously not used when you can see your own breath. Yeah, in the winter times I usually just heat up water and wash up that way. I use the spring water for pretty much everything, you know, from cooking, cleaning, dishes, you know, washing up, or just anything else I need it for, drinking, you know. It's a different lifestyle for sure. Winter times when it gets a little too cold and I don't want to heat up water, I've got friends that don't live too far away that I borrow their shower occasionally, so I get an actual nice hot shower. But yeah, guys, that's how I have managed to survive past 4 years without running water. And it's not for everyone. It's not an easy lifestyle, but I was raised having to deal with things a completely different way, and it teaches you not to take everything for granted. You know, I don't mind it. I would really definitely love to have running water, and until I get a well drilled, that's not going to happen. But hopefully this coming year will put an end to no running water out here in Reaperville. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that little insight and look into my life. And as always, stay frosty, ride or die, Reaper out. You know I get weird when I'm tired.
Oh yeah. Kind of humble.
Suck a dick, Richard.
Hey everybody, this is something new recently we have just figured out. It takes a hell of a lot longer.
Shut up, motherfucker. You're just a sidekick.
Your gun's hanging out.
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Wash your hands first.
I got gloves on.